what's up everybody? It's Felix here from MyGunDiary.com, and today I'm headed out towards Santa Teresa, New Mexico. I'm going to be shooting with my friend Nick again and a couple of his friends. He invited me out to go shoot some Tannerite today, so we're going to blow up some Tannerite. That should be fun. Remember, gun safety is always paramount. I also brought along one of my AR15s. It's the Sig Sauer. I think that's the one we're going to use to blow up the Tannerite. I brought along a Ruger 1022, and I also brought along an old school VZ24 8mm Mauser. And the reason I brought that one along is I'm going to do a video about the ammo that I'm going to put through it. I bought some like 65, 66-year-old ammo online, some Persian 8mm, and I've taken it out and shot it a few times. The trouble with it is, because it's so old, some of the primers are bad. And occasionally, like I would say, you know, 1 out of every 3 shots, you pull the trigger, the hammer strikes the primer, and then there's a delay before the round goes off. So I want to get rid of that ammo. I think I have about 100 rounds left or so, but it should be an adventure. So we're going to shoot some 65-year-old Persian 8mm ammo. We're going to blow up some Tannerite and have a good time. Hey, thanks for watching. Watermelons are expensive, huh? Oh, where at?
At the neighborhood store.
What's up, man?
So we went to another
Hey, I'm
restaurant.
Felix.
Dave.
Are you the one I owe $44 in quarters to?
Yes, sir.
Here's the Mauser that I mentioned in the opening of the video. It's a beautiful VZ24 Czech Mauser. I've added a recoil pad to the buttstock because this 8mm ammo really packs a big punch, and I found that I enjoy shooting it a lot more with the recoil pad attached. I'm shooting some 1950s Persian 8mm ammo through it, and it's just plain awful. Not only are the primers unreliable, but the ammunition doesn't cycle very well. One round failed to fire at all. As you can see, the firing pin struck the primer, but anything can happen with ammunition this old. I've shot plenty of other ammo through this Mauser and have never had any problems. I knew I was taking a risk in buying ammunition this old, but hey, you win some and you lose some. I had a great time shooting, as I always do with my friend Nick, and is often the case, shooting introduced me to new friends like Dave and the beautiful Marina and Brianna. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of My Gun Diary. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and last but not least, be sure to subscribe to my channel.